Okay, looking at Solana here, slowly making its way down, I guess it appears. So let's break this down. I was looking for a possible pull up once price hit this zone, but did not do it, just came right through it. Did reject the bottom a little bit, pulled up, but now pulled right back through it. So this zone is dead. Price is now bearish. It's below the moving average on the daily. And then this was a trade idea. I thought if price was going to pull back up to 23 bucks here, then possibly short it next month, but don't think that's going to happen. So 21 seems to be holding, so we'll leave this in here, and I think we're going to keep heading lower. So there's an area of supply all the way down here. It's a big wick here. That price would obviously have to break. And we're just looking at how this month is going to close. I think it's just going to continue to trickle down. There's an upper supply area here on the 4 hour, so right below this $21 mark. So odds are it's not really going to break above this, but it's also finding some resistance here. So I'm actually going to tighten up this zone here. Just delete that one. We'll go off this one. So this area is holding price. I think it will break. And then you're looking at something like this. Once this breaks, probably set this to above this previous area of liquidity. Once this breaks, and then you're just looking at it to head a little bit lower. So this is the main area so far. I could probably tighten this up a little bit. This is kind of what we're looking at. Maybe targeting the bottom of this. And then all you gotta do is just wait. I would wait for price to break this level and then cinch your stop down to a little bit above the wicks. I still don't think that you're really going to get enough risk to reward here in this potential trade to even make it worthwhile, but this is kind of the setup. So I mean, it's up to you if you can find a way to get the right risk to reward for your trading criteria, but for me there's just not enough, and I'm more so just waiting for price to close for the end of the month. We got a few trading days left here, 4 trading days, so just letting this month close up, and then depending on how this closes, which I guess we can look, it's a little bit early, but we can see how this closes. Oh, this is pretty ugly, so we've got too many lines on here, but here, I'll clean this up so we can see better. It's just these prices that are messing us up here. Delete that, delete that. And then this blue line. So just looking at how this is closing the last few weeks, bearish. I mean, this one's brand new, it's just opening, so we'll see how this pushes down. And then on the month, I mean, you can see heavy wicks. Right, anything above 24 bucks, price has not closed above on the monthly. And now this month, currently as it closes in a few days here, could potentially almost be bearish engulfing. I don't think it'll completely fill this candle, but I think it might come pretty close. So I think we're definitely looking to head lower on the month, like next month. So I mean, if you're looking at this price structure, it's very bearish. So from a monthly standpoint, it's just been straight down. So I mean, you did get a little bit of a bullish engulfing month last month, but again, it hasn't closed above $24, and you got this massive wick here. So yeah, I'll be looking to short this again next month. It's moved about $6 this month already. I'll probably do the same next month. This says on average is 22, but it's out to lunch because the averages are so crazy. But recently it's only moved $6 this month, 14 bucks last month, 9 bucks a month before. So probably move another $6 down. So we'd probably be shooting for, I'll put my little line back here, probably be shooting for somewhere around $14 next month. So something like this. Oops. Shooting for $14 by the end of next month. So something like that. But we'll dive into that towards the end of the week and stuff. So far that's all I got for Solana here. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. I'd love to hear your feedback on what you think Solana is going to do.